One man, one bucket, one spade, one dream. To build the most epic sandcastle ever!
Is that a mermaid? I want to be a mermaid. Oh, kia ora mai cousins. No mai ki te taitokerau. Hey, I just saw a mermaid. Te tino. Hey, I haere ia ki here. She was over there. I just saw hine moana. Ah, he rangi moko puna. What a beautiful day. Today, I'm on an epic mission to have the most epic sandcastle building competition ever. I've got my hoe, my spade, I've got my ipu onepu, my bucket. Now all I need is some competition. Find my cousins. Whee! All right, who wants it? Who wants it? Who wants to take on the best sandcastle builder ever? Buzz the Builder Sandcastle, cuz. Hey, hey. Oh. Must have scared them off when I was walking in slow-mo. E mohi anō, I can call some of my friends to see if they'll join the sandcastle competition. Tēnā koe whae Edwina. Ai, he rangi tino a tāhua. Well, I'm calling because I'm having an epic sandcastle building competition and I wondered if yous would like to come down. Are you keen? You are? Rawe! Ai, ka pai whaia. Ai, akua nei. Hurrah! We have some competitors! This is gonna be amazing. All right, my cousins, let's go and find a spot for the perfect epic sandcastle building competition! Yee! This'll be the perfect spot for our sandcastle building competition. There's so many things at the tātahi to use. This is gonna be tino epic! Wow! Ko Buzzer ho, he whakataitai e haere ake nei. Are yous all here for the sandcastle building competition? Aye! Well, you've come to the right place. Tukumihi up to King our cousins. Yeah! Hey cousins, meet all my friends from Te Kohanga Reo o Ngati Kahu. Alrighty, tighty, let's get down to business. You have 15 minutes to create the best paonepu you can. Marama? Aye! Ni haro! Tei, rua, toru, karawhiua! Here's a little safety message, my cousins. Make sure when you're making a sandcastle, you don't go and dig it into a sand dune or the sandbanks. They can fall on top of you. Hey, let me show you a trick that my dad taught me for making really strong paonepu. Tuatahi, I dig a big hole like this, and then I fill it with white. Rawe! Tuarua, te tua papa. A strong foundation is important, my cousins. You don't want to have a weak tua papa. Next minute, your paonepu falls over just when you're about to finish it. Start crying and John laughs at you. Still remember the feeling after all these years? Nō reira, a strong foundation is important in sandcastle building and in life. Oh, ka mau te wehi. All I'm doing is piling heaps of wet sand on top of itself. It makes for a really strong foundation. You don't really want to use dry sand because it all falls apart. Pēnei. Ka pai, let's keep building. let's check in with the others. Oh, he tino pai topa o nepu. Your sandcastle looks amazing. This is a flash as pa o nepu.
I made them a pool.
Ko ai toi ngoa.
Chevelle.
Are you here to build the best sandcastle ever, Chevelle? God, Awe. Keep going. Whoa, some of these paonepu are amazing. I don't even think I can compete. Kia kaha, Buzz. All right, tamariki ma, te kouminiti e toi ana, we only have 10 minutes left. Kia kaha. Now I'm going to carve out my paonepu with my spade. The tamariki have already made some amazing paonepu, so I'm going to have to go all out to win this competition. Hee-hee. And now for my moat to protect my castle. Perfect! Now, let's collect some things for my sandcastle. Come on! Minutes left, my cousins. Kia kaha! Can't see! Everyone stop their mahi! Ka pai! Who thinks they've got the best paonepu? Okay, well, let's see. Now, who's going to be our kai whakawā? Our judge. Who? 'Kia ora!
You talking to me?
Ai!
Well, I've never. Kia ora.
Kia ora, mita kaura.
What in the paonepu is going on here?
Oh, well, we're having a sandcastle building competition. Hey, do you think that you could be our judge, please?
Ooh, gee, you know, I'd love to, but I have a meeting with Tangaroa's pantry any time now.
Please?
All right. Here's a look. Oh, yes, this is really striking to the eye. Now, this reminds me of the time I escaped the killer whale's embrace. It was not a good time. Buzz, is this your mahi?
Aye.
This is amazing. It reminds me of the time that I hung out with a honu, a turtle. He had a shell similar, but not as rawe as this. You've really outdone yourself, Buzz. Rawe.
So, have you made your decision?
Aye, but it was hard. The winner of this whakataitai hanga paonepu is... Te pātawhito o tēnei o ngā hua!
my favourite part of building sandcastles, knocking them down! There you have it, my cousins. One epic sandcastle building competition and some handy hints to help you get out there and make the most miharo pāone pū you can. Hei, ka kite anō.